Welcome back, coffee lovers. Today we're making a luxurious honey lavender cappuccino that's smooth, creamy, and beautifully aromatic. The rich espresso pairs perfectly with natural honey and delicate lavender, creating a comforting cafe-style drink that's both elegant and easy to prepare. If you're looking for a unique coffee experience, this delicious homemade cappuccino is sure to become one of your favorites. Ingredients: 2 shots espresso, or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, 1 cup whole milk, or oat milk, 1 tablespoon honey, 1/2 teaspoon culinary lavender, buds, 1 teaspoon hot water, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla, extract dried culinary lavender for garnish, honey drizzle for garnish. Directions: begin by brewing 2 fresh shots of espresso or preparing a 1/2 cup of strong coffee. Pour the espresso into your favorite cappuccino cup and set it aside. In a small saucepan, combine the milk and culinary lavender buds. Heat gently over medium-low heat until the milk is hot but not boiling. Remove from the heat and let the lavender steep for about 3 minutes to infuse its delicate floral flavor. Strain the milk through a fine mesh sieve to remove the lavender buds. Stir in the honey and vanilla extract until completely dissolved. Using a handheld milk frother, steam wand, or whisk, froth the warm milk until it becomes light and creamy with a thick layer of foam. Slowly pour the infused milk over the espresso, then spoon the rich foam on top to create the classic cappuccino finish. For a beautiful presentation, drizzle a little honey over the foam and sprinkle a tiny pinch of dried culinary lavender on top. Serve immediately and enjoy the perfect harmony of bold espresso, silky milk, sweet honey, and delicate floral notes in every comforting sip. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this elegant honey lavender cappuccino recipe. If you try it at home, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more delicious coffee recipes. Until next time, enjoy every sip and happy brewing. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.